Now, candlesticks with bodies longer than their wicks are called decision candles, while candles with longer wicks than body are called indecision candles. And here we have some examples. This is an indecision candle. This is a decision candle. Okay? Decision candle, indecision candle. Okay? Now this is a hammer candlestick. This is a Doji candlestick. This is a Marubozu candlestick. This is a gravestone Doji candlestick. And we can use these candlesticks to help us to determine turning points in the market. Now, evening and morning star patterns can consist of more than 3 candles. The third or last candle of the evening star must close below the 50% mark of the first candle, and likewise the third or last candle of the morning star must close above the 50% mark of the first candle. So here we have a evening star, and this candle, which is the third candle, must close below the 50% mark of this candle, which is the first candle, for this to qualify as an evening star. Likewise for morning stars, this candle, which is the last candle of the pattern, must close above the 50% mark of this candle, which is the first candle of the pattern. And evening and morning stars can be made up of several candles. It does not have to be 3 candles. It can be several candles. It can be 8 candles. Now here are some examples of evening stars and morning stars. Here we have a morning star, and in this example you can see that the morning star is made up of several candles. Okay, so morning star, market rallies. Evening star, market falls. Now, tweezer tops and bottoms consist of 2 or more candles with wicks that are at least 60% the length of the total candle. Now, the bodies of the candles can be bullish or bearish, it doesn't matter. The bodies don't matter. The ideal tweezer top or bottom have wicks that are similar in length. Okay? And tweezer tops can be made up of several candles, just like morning stars and evening stars. So here are some examples of tweezer tops and bottoms. Here we have tweezer bottom, market rallies. Tweezer top, market falls. So you can see that these candlestick patterns signals reversal in the market, and they are extremely powerful when used along with the trend.